Hey, everybody. I am Dr. Bryan Pearlman. I am a mental health therapist, a former school principal and teacher. I'm an adjunct professor of education psychology, a keynote speaker, and the author of 11 books. Perhaps more importantly, for today's purposes, I'm also the creator of the Feel Like Poop Emotional First Aid Kit. And these are now just available here in April 2026. This kit has literally everything in it that you might need if you begin to panic, if you're dealing with big emotions, if you're really anxious or stressed. It could be the type of thing you use before a big test, a presentation, or just a time when you're experiencing really big emotions. There's some really cool things in here. For one, we've got the book, The Anxiety Cheat Code. This is awesome for reading before or after dealing with some kind of a concern. We also have the instant ice packs through a chemical reaction. They get really cold really fast. And the cool thing about that is when we're heating up and dealing with the big emotion, cold is one of the best things that we can do. Inside, there's also a Spotify calming playlist, some instructions on what to do. There are these really cool Feel Like Poop little collector cards. And again, this kit is for all ages, anybody, but it's still pretty cool stuff. Um, we have a rubbing stone here with a message for yourself. That's pretty neat. We have a little tissue container because we can always use tissues. We have a little moist cotton towelette thing that can be cooling for your face. We have lavender cream, and lavender cream, that scent is really good for you when you're feeling overwhelmed. There are just a ton of fidgets in here, all kinds of cool stuff, so many different ones that were really carefully curated that can really help you when things are going down. We have a little journal here, which is great for before, during, and after you're dealing with a big emotion. We have an eye mask, and they come in a variety of colors, again, to kind of turn off that that visual stimulation or overload. There are also earplugs, so you can tune out the auditory. We have sour candy. Sour candy is really great to shock you out of a big emotion. Also, we have mint chewing gum, and chewing gum helps stimulate the brain. We have a coloring sheet, the grown-up coloring sheet, and scented markers, which is just really awesome. Again, something to be doing to distract and get your mind out of it. Again, this is the Feel Like Poop kit at feellikepoop.com. It's an emotional first aid kit. I think every house needs to have one of these, and you could stash it in a cabinet right next to your physical health first aid kit. Again, Bryan Pearlman, I hope you check this out. They're available for sale now. You can get more information at feellikepoop.com.